53.5 inches. For those of you who were asking about the exact dimension of my table saw extension, here it is. $22.5. This is 12 inches. You can make this 18 inches or even 24 inches if you want to. Doesn't really matter. So what really matters is what's the distance underneath. So let me show you. So the distance from here to here is what really matters, because this plywood here and this bracket keep the extension table snug. So it's snug. Now the size, the distance from here up to here, let me show you. It's exactly 7 1/8. Okay, it's 7 1/8. Okay. And I added 3/4 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch, so it's about an inch to increase the thickness in order to level this one to here. Also, what matters is the distance between this and this. Okay, and that is 11.5. 11.5. Okay. So from here all the way down here, it's 11.5. But I put a screw underneath so I can do an adjustment. Okay. Now the width of this yellow plywood is the same width as the bar. Okay, here up to here. So let me show you the exact width. So the exact width of the plywood is 14.5. 14.5. Okay. Now let's go to the other side. So this is 22.5 from here to here. Okay. Now the width, it's only 16.25, but I can extend it into 24 if I wanted to. Again, what matters is what is underneath, and let me show you. So what matters is the distance between this and this, the board. Okay. That distance is 11.5. See, from here to here is 11.5. This little piece of wood here, this is the one that pushes the board to the table saw, so it keeps it snug and tight. Okay. Oh, by the way, this one, the distance between this and this is very important too. So that's 16 and a half. 16 and a half. And then the width it's 15 and 5/8. 15 and 5/8. You can go wider or even narrower because the most important thing is that it pushes into this bar, the handle. So it doesn't matter if it is a little bit wider or narrower. That's it. Okay. See, you will notice the L bracket that I put. This helps push and lock the extension table into place. And you also have to do a little routing here because of there's a little indentation here. So you have to put a little what do you call this, rabbit or whatever. So I hope this helps for those of you who are asking about the dimension. I hope I explain it clearly, and if you have more questions, just put it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.